What is up, YouTube? I got to tell you something. I know that Bitcoin has been dropping as of this recording. I think it's at about $36,000. It had been as high as $64,000. I don't care. I am buying a ton of Bitcoin. And I'm going to tell you why I'm doing that in just a second. And I'm going to explain it all. It's all coming up in my review of Crypto Wolves International. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Kammer. I am known as the man with a hat. And that's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull them successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know the drill. Feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be as stale as well. Actually, I haven't had anything stale lately. Go figure. I finally managed to have some fresh stuff. Well, it can be, my jokes can be as much of a stink bomb as when my cats decide to go and use their litter box. There you go. There's my joke for the day. You got it from me now. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Okay, Bart, really, you don't have to do that every single day. All right, seriously, it's enough. Okay, the guy does it constantly. And I'm recording more than one video today, so he did it more than once. Do you believe that? So irritating, that guy. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new, the way these work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip and add to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here on mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. You see, I love Liz. Who can get angry at Liz? She's a fellow New Yorker. Anyhow, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we are looking at the sales page for Crypto Wolves International. Now, my friend Alessandro Zamboni, he's really big on crypto. Now, I'm going to tell you something that is super duper cool. There is a particular channel that I like to follow on YouTube that I've learned quite a bit about crypto, and there's a really cool thing that you can get away with in crypto that you can't get away with stocks. So if you're like me, you have some money that you want to invest, you want to put it aside for extra stuff. So basically, here's the deal. Crypto, according to the SEC, the Securities and Exchange Commission. Now, if you don't own any stocks, you probably don't even know what the SEC is. They're the people who regulate stocks, okay? And the IRS, you probably have heard of the IRS, the Internal Revenue Service, or as I like to call them, the Infernal Revenue Service. So basically, they have a rule. Let's say, for example, I own quite a few shares of GE. Okay, GE today is a conglomerate. Today, they do a lot of things with wind turbines, and they do jet engines and stuff like that. They used to be the guys who made light bulbs and actually owned a lot of electric companies. They've divested a lot of that, and now they're in other stuff. Anyhow, so I own a lot of GE stock. Now, when I bought GE, it was in the doldrums. It was during the pandemic. It was selling for about $5 and change per share. Currently, GE is flirting with $14 a share. So I've made quite a lot of money on GE. Now, let's say that I decided to sell GE when it dips, and then I buy it 2 days later when the I sell GE just before the dip, and I buy it 2 days later in order to take advantage of a dip, okay? So that I can actually buy more shares for the same money, okay? So this is called the 30-day wash rule. Basically what that means is you're not allowed to do that. I mean, you can, there's nothing illegal in doing that, but you're gonna pay taxes. If, however, you were to sell an asset, and cryptocurrency like Bitcoin is considered an asset, the 30-day wash rule does not apply. You don't have to worry about the taxes. Okay, so that means that if you sold and then bought it back later on, you don't have to worry about paying capital gains taxes, which is quite a lot of money actually if you're doing significant amounts of money. If you're selling a $5 share of stock, doesn't really matter. But if you're selling $5,000 of stock, that actually can make a big difference. So cryptocurrency, because of the fact that it's not regulated the way that securities are regulated, the IRS and the SEC do not consider it to be a security, and therefore you don't have to worry about the 30-day wash rule. You can Google this. I'm not going to get into all that. I'm not a financial advisor, so I'm not going to give you more details than that. And obviously, I have to make clear I am not a financial advisor. I cannot give you financial advice legally. I cannot do that. I'm just telling you what I've learned about crypto, which is why I am very excited about it. Now, one of the things to know about crypto, of course, is when to buy, when to sell. And so there are secret groups available that will tell you things that people in general probably don't know about. Okay, if you did a lot of research, you might find out about it. But if you don't do a lot of research, you're not necessarily going to know when the best time is to buy a particular crypto or sell a particular crypto or where to get free crypto. Okay, my friend Alessandro, he actually does know how to do this. Okay, he's really, really big on this. He's been able to buy crypto and know exactly when is the perfect time to buy in, when is the perfect time to sell. He's actually got a group that he created, which is invite only, and you cannot get in. You can't just request access to it, because if you request access without putting in the email that you purchased this with, he will reject you. It's similar to my groups. All of my Facebook groups now, if you request to gain access to them and you haven't purchased, you will be denied access. And the same sort of thing over here, that these are actually groups which have real value, that real information is being shared. And so therefore, in order to get in, you do need to actually have purchased the thing. And I've checked it out. It's these are live groups that actually do have quite a bit to offer. So Alessandro put together a webinar. I'm going to show you the members area over here. So basically, he's got this webinar where he's going to teach you everything to know about how to make money off of crypto. This is a special webinar that he charged extra for. You're getting it for free. And you're also going to get access to the Crypto Wolves Facebook group. You can see here, remember to insert your purchase email because they will not approve you if you don't put in your purchase email. He also has a Telegram group. Again, it is only if you purchased it. And you can't get in without having purchased the Crypto Wolves package from Alessandro. So it's a very special thing that you do need to actually have bought into this thing in order to be able to get this. Now, as a bonus, I'm going to actually show you where I learned about the 30-day wash rule. It's a special video that I found. So I'm going to put a link to that as my bonus. I'm going to teach that where you're going to learn why crypto is so exciting right now, and you'll be able to follow the same person that I'm following, because it really helped me make a lot of money off of cryptocurrency. Okay, so I'm not going to tell you who it is. That's why I didn't show you the video. I didn't show it to you on YouTube. If you want to Google it, feel free to Google it. But if you want my bonus, that's my bonus to you, that I'm going to be showing you who I'm following, who's been teaching me a lot and who has helped me personally make thousands upon thousands of dollars. It's free information, so you can find it on your own if you want to find it on your own, or if you want to be able to save yourself the time, I'm going to share the link with you, and you can go ahead and see what I've been seeing, and which has helped me with stock investing, with crypto. And this is a guy that I really do trust quite a bit, because he has made me so much money. Okay, for example, this is the same guy, just to give you an example, the same guy who suggested to me to buy Pinterest. Okay, Pinterest, when I bought it, was at $18. It's currently at 65. Okay, so literally I've made like a 500% increase in my money. All right, Another stock that he suggested to me, Telluride. He suggested to me when it was 71 cents. It's currently selling for about $6. And this is in a few months. So this is somebody who really has made a tremendous difference in my life. I've seen so much money coming in because of this guy. I'm going to show you who it is. If you want to find it on your own, I'm not saying you can't find him on your own, but I won't tell you who it is. I'm going to tell you only if you pick this up. That's my bonus to you. That I'm going to tell you. I'm going to give you the link to his video on cryptocurrencies, and you can also follow his channel. I think he's awesome. But because of the fact that I don't have any other products that I can give you specifically about crypto, that's what I'm giving you. So you're going to be able to get that. So let's see if I'm going to give a tip match the product creator or not.
For the giant hat, sir.
Yeah, seriously. Huge tip of my hat. I love crypto. I am super bullish about it. I think that crypto is the future. Okay, I see what's been going on in the United States, that the dollar is losing value. Okay, it's just the reality that the dollar is losing value. So I've been moving more and more of my money into crypto, into stocks, into hard assets, because I know that last month the rate of inflation, the official rate of inflation was 4.2%. Okay, in 1 month. Right, that's insane, because you get like 0.1% on your money if you leave it sitting in a savings account. All right. And when it goes up 4.2% in 1 month, that literally means that you've lost money. Okay, because if you have $100 and you can buy, let's say, 100 apples. All right. And now, because of inflation, you can only buy 95 apples for that same $100. That means you've lost money, even though technically you still have $100. $100. That $100 buys less now than it could have before. Whereas when you invest it in crypto, and again, I'm not a financial advisor, I can't give you advice, but I'm telling you, my feeling is when you invest the money, you're able to make your money work for you, and that's what I've been doing with my money, and it's really helped me out a lot. I have, by and large, made so much more money by investing in crypto and investing in stocks than if I had simply left my money sitting around collecting 0.1% interest in a savings or checking account. So yeah, grab this one. This one's great. I absolutely love this. One of the best things I've seen.